Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajandar High School and Junior College, Wahur. Dear student, now our current topic is chemical kinetics. Now, in chemical kinetics, in my first video lecture, we have discussed what is rate of reaction, average rate of reaction and instantaneous rate of reaction, and 2 to 3 examples we have solved, numericals we have solved based on instantaneous rate of reaction. Now today's in second video lecture we will try to cover what is rate law, only one concept, what is rate law, and 2 to 3 examples या numerical based on rate law. What is rate law? The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the rate of reaction at a given time is directly proportional to molar concentration of reactant at that time. What is rate law? The rate of reaction at a given time is directly proportional to molar concentration of reactant at that time raised to the simple power. रेस टू द सिंपल पावर मतलब रेट किस पर डिपेंड रहेगा? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ओनली रिएक्टिंग स्पेसिस, रिएक्टेंट. रेट किस पर डिपेंड रहेगा? मोलार कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. नाउ सपोज आई एम राइटिंग अ जनरल रिएक्शन. एग्जांपल, आई एम राइटिंग अ जनरल रिएक्शन A react with B to form C and D. A react with B to form C and D. Now in this case the capital A, B, C, D, capital A, B, C, D. Now capital A and B are reactant, capital C and D are product. कैपिटल ए और बी क्या होगा मेरा? रिएक्टेंट. और कैपिटल सी और डी क्या रहेगा मेरा? प्रोडक्ट. नाउ दिस स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज दैट इज ए बी सी डी, इट इज कॉल्ड एज कोएफिशिएंट. ये जो स्मॉल क्वांटिटी है इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? कोएफिशिएंट. जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना 1 मोल ऑफ ए रिएक्ट विथ 2 मोल ऑफ बी. सो जो मोल कंसेप्ट रहता है स्टैचियोमेट्री, जो कोएफिशिएंट रहता है that is small a, b, c and d, so it is called as number of moles. Here it is called as coefficient. Now I have to write the rate of this reaction according to rate law. और मेरा rate law क्या है? The rate of reaction at a given time is directly proportional to molar concentration of only reacting species at that time raised to the simple power. Raised to the simple power. So according to rate law we can write here rate expression, that is rate of reaction proportional to, क्या लिखूंगा मैं यहाँ पर? रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोलार कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के लिए अपन ब्रैकेट बना दिए. ब्रैकेट क्या इंडिकेट करता है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए into concentration of B raised to the simple power. Now these powers are x and y. These coefficient are not the powers. ये तो powers रहेंगे x and y. It is calculated experimentally. ये पावर कैसा फाइंड आउट करते हैं? दिस पावर्स आर कैलकुलेटेड एक्सपेरिमेंटली. इसका मतलब ये जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो पावर में नहीं आते. स्मॉल ए बी ये पावर में आएंगे क्या? नो. दिस पावर्स raised to the simple power, these powers are calculated experimentally and this is rate expression of this reaction. Now here remove proportional. अब इसमें क्या करो? प्रोपोर्शनल रिमूव करो. सो वी कैन राइट हियर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू, प्रोपोर्शनल रिमूव करने के लिए अपन क्या यूज करते हैं? एनी कांस्टेंट दैट इज योर के इनटू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए रेज़ टू द पावर x, देन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ b रेज़ टू द पावर y, वेयर k is proportionality constant. What is k? K is the proportionality constant. Now here x and y, x is the power of a and y is the power of b, and which can be calculated experimentally, and now this is called as rate law. इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे, रेट लॉ. सो व्हाट इज रेट लॉ? द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन at a given time is directly proportional to concentration, molar concentration of only reacting species at that time raised to the simple power. Okay, and these powers are calculated experimentally and this is called as rate law. इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? This is called as a rate law. Now suppose next example is given to you. Suppose I have written here A plus B convert into C plus D. A plus B convert into C plus D. Now A and B are the reactant. C and D are my product. I am saying write rate expression for this reaction. Write rate expression for this reaction. आप लोग कैसे लिखेंगे rate expression? Rate of reaction is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power X into concentration of B raised to the power Y. Okay, आप लोग लिखेंगे वहां पर rate of reaction proportional to concentration of A into concentration of B raised to the power X and Y. Remove proportional, so is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power X into concentration of B raised to the power Y. Now this is the method to write the rate of reaction. Now in this case I am going to start a key points of rate law. Key points of rate law and this is very important concept. ये concept पर section A में MCQs पर question आता है. आपका जो सेक्शन ए रहता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 10 उसमें यह क्वेश्चन बनता है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड दैट कीज फैक्टर विल ट्राई टू कवर वन बाय वन. नाउ माय फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इफ x is equal to y is equal to 1, if x is equal to y is equal to 1, it implies that it means that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 means these powers are 1. So we can write here rate of reaction is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power 1 into concentration of B raised to the power 1. Okay, raised to the power 1, no need to write raised to the power 1, no need to write. Means we can say here rate linearly depend. ये इक्वेशन क्या शो करता? This equation implies that rate of reaction linearly equal depends upon concentration of A and concentration of B. Now my important point, if either concentration of A और B is doubled, मैं दोनों में से किसी एक का concentration double कर रहा हूं. यहाँ MCQs बनता है, MCQs बनता है. If either concentration of A or B is doubled, अब जैसी मैं इसका concentration double करूंगा, now here the power is 1, here the power is 1, जैसी इसका मैं concentration double करूंगा मेरा रेट क्या हो जाएगा? डबल हो जाएगा. रेट क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? डबल. either one, either concentration of A is double or concentration of B is double, rate will be double. आपको यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. Now two reactants are there, A and B. If either the concentration of A or B is double, where X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 and concentration of A or B is double, what will be the rate of reaction? What will be the rate of reaction? मेरे पास में पावर्स 1 है, मतलब रेट लीनियरली डिपेंड है A और B पर. मैं कॉन्सेंट्रेशन डबल कर रहा, सो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन डबल करूंगा. नाउ दिस पावर अपने यहाँ पर रेट क्या हो जाएगा? आपका रेट विल बी डबल्ड. नाउ सपोज पॉइंट नंबर 2, सपोज x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, ये केस में. Now in this case here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, so we can write here rate is equal to क्या लिखेंगे अपन? K into concentration of A raised to the power 2 into concentration of B raised to the power 1. नहीं भी लिखे तो चलता. Okay, now second condition is given, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. मैं यहाँ क्या बोलूँगा? Rate depends upon 2 power of a and 1 power of b. Rate depends upon 2 power of a and 1 power of b. Okay, if the concentration of a is doubled by keeping the concentration of b constant, देखो मैं यहाँ क्या बोल रहा हूँ, concentration of a is doubled by keeping concentration of b constant. मैं concentration of b change नहीं करूंगा, किसका concentration मैं double कर रहा हूं, a का. If x power is 2, x power is 2, now concentration of b is constant, what will be the rate? रेट, अब यहां पर ये पावर 2 है, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मैं डबल कर रहा हूं, तो हियर रेट विल इंक्रीज बाय फैक्टर. कितने फैक्टर से रेट इंक्रीज होगा? रेट विल इंक्रीज बाय फैक्टर 4, बिकॉज पावर इज 2, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज डबल, तो रेट कितने फैक्टर से इंक्रीज होगा? 4 फैक्टर से. नाउ दिस पॉइंट्स मे बी आस्क्ड इन योर एमसीक्यूज. Okay, now in third case, suppose x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. For example, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Write rate. आप लोग कैसे लिखेंगे यहाँ पर रेट? Now rate is equal to k into concentration of a power 0 into concentration of b power 2. Now concentration of a power 0 means here this factor get cancelled. So here we can say rate is equal to k into concentration of b raised to the power 2. Means here we can say 0 का मतलब रहता है rate independent on concentration of a. 0 का मतलब क्या रहेगा? रेट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए, रेट विल डिपेंड्स ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ बी. नाउ these are the key factors which are important for your CET exam, which are important for your CET exam. Okay, if this expression is given to you and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, so rate दोनों पर equal linearly depend रहेगा. If any one factor, any one, either a or b is doubled, directly rate का ऐसे rate भी क्या हो जाएगा? Double. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, kept b constant, increase या double the concentration of a, rate will increase by how many factor? 4. If x is equal to 0 means rate independent on concentration of a, it depends upon only concentration of b. Now this is all about the rate law. So what is rate law and what are the key factors of rate law? So this is the key factors. And what is rate law? The rate of reaction proportional to molar concentration of only reacting species at that time raised to the simple power. Okay, now student, in case of rate law, I am giving one question. I am giving one question. Write rate law expression for given reaction. Now my question is write rate law expression for given reaction. Rate law expression for given reaction, and the reaction is given to you. First, twice of H2O, twice of H2O2 gaseous form convert into twice of H2O plus O2, twice of H2O plus O2. Now this reaction is given to you. Now in this reaction one condition is given to you, the rate of reaction is proportional to concentration of H2O. Okay, now write the rate law expression for given reaction. Now this reaction is given to you और मुझे इसका rate law लिखना है. मुझे इसका क्या लिखना है? rate law. तो मैं इसका rate law कैसे लिखूं यहाँ पर? Now the rate is proportional to concentration of H2O2. Remove this proportional. We will write here rate is equal to K into concentration of H2O2. And here it is mentioned raised to the simple power 1. Raised to the simple power 1 means this value become 1. This is the method to write the rate expression. Okay. Now suppose second example is given to you. NO2 plus O2. Okay. Now both are in gaseous form. NO2 plus CO convert into NO plus CO2. Now this reaction is given to you. NO2 plus CO convert into NO plus CO2. Now here the condition is given. Now condition is given rate. Condition is given means experimentally found. Condition is given experimentally found. Experimentally found rate depend square of concentration of NO2. Rate depends square of concentration of NO2 and independent on CO. Concentration of CO. Write rate expression. Write rate expression. Now this is my question. Write rate expression. This is my question. Now this question is given to you. NO2 plus CO convert into NO plus CO2. Experimentally, it is found that rate depends square of concentration of NO2 and rate independent. Rate depends square of concentration of NO2 and rate independent on concentration of CO. Write the rate law expression. Here write the rate expression. What is the rate expression of this question? Now this is homework. Write in your notebook and send me on my personal number. Try to remember rate depends square of NO2 मतलब power 2 and rate independent CO मतलब power 0. Write the rate expression for this reaction. Okay, if any query or any doubt is there, you ask me or comments your comment in comments box. Okay, so this is all about the rate law and this one is my video lecture number 2. Now based on rate law we will discuss what is order of reaction in my next video lecture. Order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. Okay, thank you.